Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're back with another awesome feature. Join Leave members on Views by Followers bot. Here's why this feature is a game changer. Daily join and leave that maintains your channel graph. Real-like members with non-emoji names. Members with real usernames, profile pictures, and last seen recently. No sudden spikes. Members join distributed over 24 hours. Works on both public and private channels. So now that you know the benefits, let's dive straight into how to use it. Steps to play subscription. Go to Telegram and search for Views by Followers bot. Tap Start to begin. Tap on Join Leave Members. Click on New Subscription. Add your channel link. Select the Join Leave Members range and number of days. You'll see the price update automatically. Tap Done. Tap Yes to confirm. Now you've successfully placed your Join Leave subscription. Additional features. After adding your channel. Now that your channel is added on the bot, let's explore more features. Go to My Subscription. Select your channel. Here, you'll see a few options. Edit settings. Tap here to re-edit number of days or Join Leave members range. Then press Done. Pause, resume. Temporarily stop or restart the subscription. Channel join link. Change or update your channel join link. And that's it. You now have full control over your channel subscription. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and updates.